Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Janice. I am 24 years old. I am a school psychology graduate student, part-time in my third year, and for today's video I'm going to be doing a what I wear for remote meetings type of video. I have done numerous amounts of vlogs and days in my life, but today's video I just wanted to show you guys what I wear or ideas to wear if you're working remotely as a practicum student. This could also work for anyone working remotely if you need to attend meetings where you have to show yourself. I just was like, I love watching people show me what they wear, so I'm gonna show you guys a couple of outfits that I wear routinely, which I'm not ashamed about. It's okay, we're working from home, and also even when I work in person, I don't really care about outfit repeating because I don't have that kind of money to have a different outfit like every single day and buy different outfits. So yeah, I'm just gonna show you guys these go-to outfits that are comfy yet sophisticated, casual. They work in the workplace. All right, let's get into it. Okay guys, so this is the first outfit that I am presenting you with. I actually just took the tag off of the shirt and I want to tell you guys what the shirt is from. Oh, so I got this shirt yesterday from Target and this is the brand that it's from, and I covered it with an American Eagle cardigan size extra large. The shirt's a 1X, it's big. I have to tuck it in, so as you can see, have it tucked in. These pants are from Boohoo. They're just paper bag pants and they're very standard. I like them because they have some stretch to them. This is my go-to. Usually I wear this like honestly Monday, Wednesday, and Friday if I'm working from home because it is comfortable, it is cozy, and it keeps me warm because it is literally 2 degrees in New York today and this outfit is just doing it for me. Okay, next outfit. Okay everyone, this is outfit number 2. Yes, like I said, I repeat my outfits, sort of. This is the same cardigan from American Eagle. If you need a cardigan, you don't have to get it from American Eagle. I'm just giving you kind of the idea or sense of like, what can I wear? Well, cardigans, because they go with everything and it's great, especially a black one or a gray one. Those are the two that I usually use. I got my cardigans during the Black Friday sale when everything was like 50% off, because the cardigans from American Eagle are like $60 when they're not marked down, and who's got that money, you know what I'm saying? So yes, let me just show you the full outfit. This cardigan, American Eagle, like I said, this is from Loft, just a standard flowy tee, and the leggings are from American Eagle. They're the offline with the crisscross at the front that was on TikTok that everyone's insane about. When they restocked like 2 weeks ago, I bought them. 40 bucks. They should have been cheaper. However, they're very comfortable, very durable, and when I'm sitting and getting up and moving around throughout meetings sometimes, like if I have to put my laundry in or X, Y, and Z, taking notes, they are very comfortable and they don't hurt my stomach, and it was worth the money at the end of the day because I am not in pain. For all you guys who know the pain that pants can put you through, you know, so. Okay, next outfit. Okay guys, so I am wearing the same exact pants, so I'm not going to show you the pants again. This shirt is from Torrid. It's just a standard blouse, but honestly, I love the floral, and I'm not a pink person, but I'm becoming a pink person. You know what I mean? So I am very happy with the way this looks. I feel like it's very professional. Like any blouse that you pick out could be somewhat professional depending on the way you dress it. So I actually wore this for 2 of my interviews for internship, but I covered it up with also like a cardigan, and it had nothing to do with, oh, I need to cover myself up. It was literally just that it was cold in my apartment. So if you also want to throw a cardigan over it, go ahead, you know. All right, next outfit. Okay guys, so for the last shirt I'm going to show you, this is a blouse. It's from Michael Kors. I got it during the Friends and Family sale back in the summer. and I am just absolutely in love with it. Let me show you how it looks lower. But it honestly, it doesn't cinch you in too tight here, but it also doesn't have a flowy end. And also the side has a little knot where you tie a bow on the side, and the arms are just so flowy. I love them. Again, I paired this with just the black airy leggings from the offline section or whatever, and you don't have to wear these leggings with them. Like I said, you can have Old Navy or any other brand or hand-me-downs, whatever works for you. I am not bullying into buying any clothes. This is just the clothes that I wear. Okay guys, I just want to say thank you so much for watching my video today. Please subscribe if you're new here. Also, I forgot to mention this, I can't believe I forgot. I actually hit 100 subscribers last week, and thank you so much for anyone who is following me on this journey. I hope you are learning from it as much as I'm learning from it, and I hope at least in today's video that you got some ideas as to what you would wear if you were working from home, either doing practicum or internship, or just working from home in the general sense. I know it wasn't a lot of outfits, but these are just the outfits that I kind of file throughout the week. So again, thank you so much for subscribing, for sticking around, for commenting. I love talking to you guys, and I will see you guys next week on Saturday for my next video. Okay, bye guys.